Hi everyone, you are watching Commerce King Academy right now. Today we will solve problem number 3 of chapter number 4, which is General Journal Account. Requirement is of this problem, journalize the following transactions in the books of a trade. The year 2005, the first transaction of this problem is on December 1st, started business with cash amounted $150,000. Now we will enter all the transactions of this problem in this format. The original book of entry or journal account format having date column, detail or description, ledger page or ledger volume, amount in debit with dollars, amount in credits in dollars. So let's get started. On date December 1st on 2005, started business with cash. So cash account debit with amount $150,000 to capital account credit with description, business commenced with cash. First transactions entry has been completed here. So now we will move toward next transaction. After first transaction, the second transaction has been done on December 3rd, which is goods purchased for cash amounted $90,000. So the entry will be on date December 3rd, purchases account will debit with amount $90,000 to cash account credit because purchases has been done on cash basis amounted $90,000, which is same amount with description, goods purchased for cash. That's it. Next transaction is on same date as above, which is December 3rd. Furniture purchased for cash amounted $15,000. This is also too much simple entry, which is on date December 3rd. So furniture account debit with amount $15,000 to cash account credit $15,000 with description, purchased furniture or furniture purchased for cash. Okay. Next transaction is sold goods for cash amounted $30,000. On December 7th, cash account debit $30,000 to sales account credit because sales has been done by the business on cash basis. Okay, with description, goods sold for cash. Next transaction is on December 9th, sold goods to Mr. Rauf amounted $24,000 on credit basis or on account basis. December 9th, entry will be Mr. Rauf account debit with amount $24,000 to sales account credit with details or description, goods sold on credit to Mr. Rauf with amount $24,000. You must keep in your mind that this is the major difference between cash sales or credit sales. In case of cash sales, we will write cash to sales, and on the other side, in the case of credit sales, we will write the customer's name against sales, just like Mr. Rauf account debit to sales account credit. Clear? Next transaction of the business, on 12th December, goods purchased from Zulfikar amounted $15,000 on credit basis or on account basis, right? So the entry will be purchases account debit with amount $15,000 to Zulfikar account credit with same amount $15,000 with description, goods purchased on credit from Zulfikar. Okay. Next transaction is 16 December, goods sold to Ali and allowed him 10% trade discount on whole amount, which is $18,000. So the entry will be on December 16, Ali account debit to sales account credit with description goods sold on credit basis at 10% trade discount. We will find the actual sales amount less 10% discount right now. So the total selling amount is $18,000. Clear? We will deduct 10% discount. So the 10% discount on $18,000 is $1,800. Okay? We will deduct now $1,800 from $18,000. So the actual amount is $16,200. Okay? This is the trade discounted amount. So after deductions of 10% discount, now we will enter this entry's amounts, which is $16,200. Same is here, $16,200. This transaction has been completed here. Okay? Next transaction on dated 22 December, which is cash received from Mr. Rauf in full settlement of his account, which is $22,800. Statement is clear. Before entrance of this transactions entry in the format of journal account, we recall first the account of Mr. Rauf. On dated, which is earliest date, which is December 9th, we have to solve goods to Mr. Rauf on total amount $24,000. Now we have to receive now from Mr. Rauf, which is $22,800. So total selling amount was $24,000. Now receive from Mr. Rauf $22,800. Clear? The difference of both amount is $1,200. This is the discount allowed given to Mr. Rauf by the business. Clear? That's it. So the entry will be on date December 22 cash account debit against the amount received in actual. This is the discounted amount, discount given by the business to Mr. Rauf and received $22,800. Okay? And discount allowed given by the business to Mr. Rauf, the amount which $1,200. These two accounts debit against Mr. Rauf account. So Mr. Rauf account credit with whole list price amount, which is $24,000 with description cash received and discount allowed. This entry called compound entry because this entry holds more than two accounts: cash account, discount allowed account, and to Mr. Rauf account. Next transaction is on day 25 December, cash paid to Zulfikar amounted $5,700 and he allowed discount $300. Before entrance of transactions entry in the format of journal account, you must understand statements comprehension. So first we recall the account of Mr. Zulfikar, which is on date 12th December, goods purchased from Zulfikar amounted $15,000 on credit basis by the business. So actual payables by the business toward Zulfikar $15,000. So on date now, business pay partial payment to Mr. Zulfikar, which is $6,000. In $6,000, cash paid to Zulfikar $5,700 and he allowed discount to business $300. Right? It will be discount allowed by Zulfikar and it will be discount received for the business. December 25. So the entry will be in the accounts of the business. Zulfikar account debit to cash account credit and also discount received account credit with amounts, the total amount given by the business, which is $6,000. Okay, and the actual cash received by Zulfikar, which is $5,700, and discount allowed to business by Zulfikar, which is $300. It will be called discount received by the business. So it will be credit against Zulfikar account. This entry also called compound entry because it holds more than two accounts with description cash paid and discount received. Okay. Next transaction on date December 28, which is cash paid for purchase of stationery amounted $750. On date December 28, this is too much simple entry, which is stationery account debit with amount $750 to cash account credit. Simple. Okay. With description, stationery purchased for cash. Next transaction is on date December 31st, which is paid office rent amounted $2,400. On date December 31st, rent account debit to cash account credit against payment of office rent, okay, with amount $2,400 and same amount $2,400 with description, paid rent for office by the business, okay. On same date, which is December 31st, before entrance of transactions entry in the account of general journal, we have overview to account of Zulfikar, okay. We have purchased on December 12th. Purchases from Zulfikar amounted $15,000, okay. After that, we have pay to Zulfikar amount $5,700, okay. Now on date December 31st, we returned purchases stock to Zulfikar amounted $1,500. So entry will be Zulfikar account debit with amount $1,500 to purchases return account credit. The second name of purchases account is return outward, okay. You must keep in your mind here with amount $1,500 with details goods return to Mr. Zulfikar, okay. The last transaction of this problem is on same date, which is December 31st, paid salaries to staff amounted $2,700. So December 31st, salaries account debit with amount $2,700 against cash account to cash account credit amounted $2,700 with description, salaries paid to staff. So dear students, all the transactions entries of this problem has been completed here. If you like this video, then please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you all.